Hello everyone, my name is Bahadur More and I am an English and SS teacher in Sahajanan English Medium School at Nagarjuna. And today I am going to teach you Social Science, chapter number 2, Standard 8. What is around us? This is the chapter name, and this video is part 3 of this video. Right. So this is the last part of this video, and for your information, if you still have not seen a previous part of this video, so please see, and so much better to convey to get the all information about this chapter. This is now we reach at effect of human activity on sprays. So what are the effect of human activity on a phrase? As you know, there are 4 phrases, right? So that 4 phrases affected by us, how they affected, and what is the what will happen if the continuously this kind of affecting doing. So that things we will going to teach, or we will going to know about it, all the information about the effect of human activities in this paragraph, right? So I hope you all are fit and fine at your home, right? So now without any further ado, more explanation, I am just want to start the chapter. See, I am going to read right now. Please use a hands-free, much better for the sound quality. Effect of human activity on a species. Human beings knowingly and unknowingly undertake many activities for their development. See, we are a human being knowingly or unknowingly, awarely or not awarely, we are doing many things that ultimately effect on a phrase is effect on atmosphere. Human needs cannot be fulfilled. Our need day by day increase and increase. Right. So we want to fulfill our everything. That's why we use our resources. We use our resources and more and more uses. Right. And we built a construction. But we built construction, road, railway line, buildings and all that, malls and all that. But what cause? Was that we cut it down the tree, deforestation, that thing we do, right? Right now we are doing. Vehicle increase, factories increase, productivity increase, that's why pollution increase more and more. That's why atmosphere now is too much polluted right now. We cannot breathing properly right now. In the mega city like Delhi, Kanpur, Mumbai, Ahmedabad, these are cities very polluted cities. Not enough this our country, but in the world these are the polluted cities. How it is happened? Because of our activities. We are not careful about nature. We are not careful about our environment. That's why this thing happened. Right now we all are stuck at home because COVID-19. Right? This COVID pandemic happened. How? Because we are the human being doing unnatural things that actually we should not do. Not should not, but we have to not do these things that not a naturally. And if we do things against the nature, so definitely this thing will happen. Not this time corona. It will be again other pandemic will arise, and we have to ready for this. If you want to live in a good flow, if you have to live in a happily in this, so we have to make a happy this praise. We have to care about our nature. We have to care about our environment. We have to care about this global warming. So human action cause. Now let's start again further. Human action cause an imbalance in the different phase. See, our reasons we just imbalance. We just imbalance in the natural phase. Right now you can see the monsoon is getting more. Heating is more, sometimes cold is more, sometimes cold is less, sometimes monsoon is less. So all the system of the nature is disturbing right now. All system are disturbing. Why? Because of us. Because of human action cause. That's why the imbalance that happen in the nature. Due to this, the balance of various phase is threatened. Right now, the various phase balance is very imbalancing. So that is really threatened. Very scary. Underground nuclear testing. Why this happened? Here are the reasons. Underground nuclear testing. We are doing a nuclear testing for our development, for electricity, for more power, for bombing and all that. So underground nuclear testing. Too much drilling. We are digging too much drilling for minerals. For what? For minerals, oils and all that. And excessive drilling of a tube well. So we excessive drilling the tube well affect the lithosphere and cause the an imbalance. See, we population increase and increase, people demand more and more, so that's why we use a resource more and more, and a resource provided by nature. Nature is actually lithosphere, biosphere, hydrosphere and all that, right? And we are using more and more. We need a, we have no plan to how much we use. That's why this cause and this an imbalancing happen. The dumping of waste from village and cities along with the industrial waste into the water bodies polluted them. How the water body polluted? Because of we are the dumping the wastage in from the village and also from the cities. So all the wastage, garbage, including and the industrial wastage, medical wastage, we just throw into the river. So that particular wastage spoil the river water, right? Also the river bodies, what are the water bodies that see and all that, river, pond and lake and all that. The polar caps have started melting due to the increasing heat. Right now these are the polar caps started the melting. Why the polar cap started melting? Because of the increasing heat. And why the increasing heat happen? Increasing heat, that means global warming, right? The temperature day by day, this earth temperature day by day increase and increase, it's called a global warming, right? So if the increase in temperature and the ozone layer also affected because of our because of our human activities, we are not care about it. If the once the heating increase more and more of this earth, so we will not survive on this earth. All human being will lost. That is true. We have to think about it. We should think about it, and we something do about it. The oil spill from ships and the disposal of the industrial and chemical waste into the water cause the destruction of marine life, which is highly dangerous for the hydrosphere. See, we are using many wasted things, medical wastage, industrial wastage, right? And the disposal things we just dispose into the water. We just throw into the water. We just float it into the water, and that things destruction of marine life, any aquatic life, fish, whale, and all that which are living in the in a sea, in a ocean. These are aquatic living being, aquatic biotic. This this affecting more and more because of our activities. We just wasted water, the wastage water which is floating into the, which is drain into the river and all that. So they directly affected marine life, marine lifestyle, marine life. That means aquatic life, which is highly dangerous of hydrosphere. This is very highly dangerous hydrosphere. Harmful gases emitted by the industry. As we know that harmful gases is emitted get released by the industry. Workshop, power station and vehicle polluted air, that we know. The harmful industries and workshop, power station and vehicle polluted the air. Carbon dioxide released more and more because of the we use more and more industrial smoke and all that. The area with the higher frequency of vehicles show increased rate of carbon dioxide in the air. Those areas who have more power station, more vehicles, more industry, these area which like Delhi. Delhi is a very developed city, right? Capital of India, but is also capital of pollution. Delhi also capital of pollution. How? Because there is vehicle more and more increase. Vehicle release the carbon dioxide, that is smoke and all the industry, that more. People are more, so there is also pollution more. They every action of human, that is not good for nature. We have to care about it. One more thing, that the area with the higher frequency of the vehicles should increase the rate of the carbon monoxide. Please, this one make sure in the air more and more. The amount of CO2, carbon monoxide, CO2 in the air increase due to the cutting of the tree. Please underline this one. The amount of CO2 in the air increase due to the cutting of tree. Because of cutting of tree, this heat also happen. Global warming also, many things happen due to the cutting tree. If you want to rain, if you want to balance, if you want to, every phrase, if you want to balance, now we have to save the tree. We have to save the water. We have to save everything that provided by the nature. Heat on earth increase due to the increase in the CO2 in the air. So these are the right now heat of earth increase because of CO2 in the air. In this way, human activity affect the biosphere. So this all paragraph is important. You have to write every line by line because of this all activities is doing by the human, and these are the activity affected directly, indirectly, directly with the biosphere. So biosphere including hydrosphere, lithosphere, and atmosphere, right? So all the living thing which is including in which is including in biosphere, right? So directly affected through the human being activities. We know unknowingly, but we do. Plastic use and vehicle, industry that provide and they fulfill our need, but ultimately they polluted the environment. So the nurturing links of nature are endangered due to the exploitation of environment which is in danger of biosphere, right? So the obviously these things will be happen because of that. Now the environment in the danger position right now, biosphere is in danger. Many animals right now killed for some benefits. We polluted the river and all that. So see, human effect, yeah, human activities affected more and more in the species in the biosphere. So we should care about it. Government also make us some rules and regulations. They already made it, but not applicable properly, right? So I hope now here some activity. Make a list of nature event of human activity that the adversely affected various phase of the. Please do activity yourself, right? This is for your activities. Now what is project? I will give you project right now, student. Find out the source of pollution in your surrounding and study its effect as well as suggest solution to eradicate it. So this is your project you will do. All students of my school, please do this project. Find out the source of pollution. Which are the source of pollution? This is the doing the pollution in your surrounding, in your society, which is you are living right now, in city, village, whatever. Mega city, small city, whatever. You just find out the source which is producing pollution, which is cause to pollution. You just find out, note it down, and make a project, right? And what effect and what solution of this also you to give, right? So I hope you got every point of this chapter, and now this chapter is finished, right? So we just do the exercise and see. You will write all the question answer in your fair book of this exercise. Clear? So this chapter about what is around us, there are the four phases: biosphere, atmosphere, lithosphere, and hydrosphere, right? Lithosphere, that means land; biosphere, that means living things; and hydrosphere, that means water; and atmosphere, that means air, right? This is chapter about it. Every underlines which I told you, every point which I told you, this make a importance and write in a books. Now here we go about the exercise of what do you know about our Earth. Write a short note. So this answer you will get in the first paragraph. What is the Earth? How the Earth built, right? So and this all question answer you will find from textbook and you will write yourself. I just do the this fill in blank, right? So let's do the fill in blank so we can understand more very easily this chapter. First step is there are totally four phases of the Earth. How many phases? Four phases, which are lithosphere, atmosphere, biosphere, hydrosphere. Lithosphere cover approximately how many percentage of the surface of Earth? 29%. Second answer is 29% of the surface of the Earth covered by lithosphere. The most of the prominent liquid component in the atmosphere is what? The most of the right. The most of the prominent liquid component in the atmosphere is what? And fourth one, hydrosphere made up. Which one? Third answer is that water. The most prominent liquid component in the atmosphere is water. I already told you in underline. Right. So water. Third answer. Hydrosphere made of water. Hydrosphere which is made of water and next hydrosphere make of water. How many percent? Hydrosphere 71%, lithosphere 29%, hydrosphere 71%. And a gas absorb the ultraviolet rays of the sun. Which gas absorb the ultraviolet? Ozone, right? Ozone gas absorb the ultraviolet of gas. Here they give the meaning of the following terms: lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, biosphere. You will do yourself, find out from the textbook. And here are the true or false. So what is the true or false? The Earth is a member of the solar family, right? Earth, yes, it is a true. The proportion of water on the surface of the Earth is less than proportion of the land. The proportion The proportion of the water of the surface is less than that is a false. The proportion of water on the surface of the earth, the proportion of the water on the surface of the earth is less than proportion of the land. No, it's false, right? The proportion of water on the surface of earth is less than proportion of the land. It is a false, right? Third one, the fresh water is gift of hydrogen. The fresh water is gift of hydrogen. That is true. Oxygen dilute nitrogen. Oxygen dilute the nitrogen. That is also false, right? Oxygen dilute the nitrogen. Yes, it's false, right? Oxygen is the absorb the nitrogens, right? So these are the answer. Fourth one is a false, right? Oxygen reduce the intensity of nitrogens, right? So it's a false. Clear? I hope you got the whole point. Explain how following are related to your life, mountain, fields, and this one. So next chapter we will do in a part in the next video according to our timetable. Right? I hope you got every point. I give my best to explain you everything. So please stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself, writing everything in your playbooks. Right? So please take care of yourself. Have a nice day. Bye.